1991, Chevrolet developed a brand new European-style aero package for their Z28 Camaros. Hey everybody, this is Lucky Jack Racing. I'm Lucky Jack, and this here is my 1991 Camaro Z28. Yes, it has the aero package that I was talking about. But this here is the car that I've owned since I was 13 years old. And over the past 4 years of ownership, I've been slowly turning it into a street strip beast of a car. It's got a built 4L60 in it, and now it has a built LS3 in it that I've done here in my home. It's 6.2 liters, 376 cubic inches, and it has a giant nasty cam in it. And today, we're finally going to get to take it to the drag strip, which is something that I've been wanting to do for a while, because I know the last time I had this thing on the track, it went 892, and the fastest pass that this car ever made was 876. So I'm very excited to try to beat those numbers today, because once I beat them, I'll be happy and I'll finally think that I've accomplished something with this car. So this is Lucky Jack Racing. Stick around to see those next passes. So the first pass that we ended up running, the car did not finish. I was having issues on the 1-2 shift. Basically, I let the car command the shift itself instead of me commanding the shift, and ended up doing a best PR of a 60-foot time, 1.76, I think, which still a little slow for this combo, but I think the tune needs to be worked out on it. So that's what happened on that one. So I just had to roll through the beams, but honestly, it took off like nobody's business. It was just, I didn't get to finish the pass. Second pass, that was the best pass. That was the PR pass right there. 792 at 92 miles an hour. And the transmission was still hitting the rev limiter. So, basically, I think that it's got more in it. I think it could go faster, but that is the PR for me. That is the fastest I've ever gone, and I'm super excited about that. Holy crap, that thing is fast. Like, that is the grabbing the steering wheel, jerked back. Oh, man, that thing is just awesome to get to drive. Now, these third and fourth final passes, those were the ones that started to worry us. Because whenever we were driving, all of a sudden, it went from running a 790 to an 890. And we were like, I wonder what happened there. It was kind of starting to get weird. And then the second pass, it went 823, which we're like, oh, now it's starting to pick up. It must just be because it's heat soaking. Well, on the drive home, I started to experience a little bit of a kind of jerking sensation. The car was sputtering, spitting, and I'm like, man, it's just weird. Why is it driving home like this? And let me show you why. This here, ladies and gentlemen, is why the car was running so crappily. I popped the hood on this thing, and look, the number 2 spark plug had fallen completely off. It was just sitting there, just sparking against there. I'm like, oh, well, see, that's the problem. So, you want me to fix it? So that's fixed now. So now we have all 8 cylinders, and now we have how much ever horsepower that we're putting down. So now we can run 7s again. Yippee! So I did have the tune looked at, and the guy who's helping tune, Dr. EFI is what he's called, he did tell us, he's like, hey guys, I want you to know that this thing's flowing 240 liters per hour on the top end. So as soon as you go wide open throttle, it's trying to add more fuel than I thought it needed. Didn't know your engine was going to make that much power. So I had him add in some more fuel, and hopefully it's going to do better. But we don't have time to do that today because the drag strip isn't going to be open for a little bit. So that stinks. So I guess what we're going to have to do is wait till next time. Well, you saw the LS3 run at the drag strip. It made one good PR pass, and the rest of the night, due to the spark plug wire falling off, didn't go so great. But you know what? We did win every race that night, technically, because we beat everyone else that was in the other lane. So, you know what? That's something to be proud of, in my opinion. So, I think that there's a few different things that need to be fixed and worked on in this car. But you know what? I think it could still go faster. So, if you want to see it go faster, hit that subscribe button. Watch more of Lucky Jack Racing, because I have all sorts of videos. I have the LS swap, the first drive. I have building that engine on here. I have it all. So, go watch it all. I'm Lucky Jack. I'm a 17-year-old car builder and drag racer, and this is Lucky Jack Racing. So if you liked what you saw, leave a comment, hit that subscribe button, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time, because there's plenty more cars to race, and there's plenty more cars to save.